In this video, I show you how to create this title animation that you see on the screen. Let's go. Here we are inside of After Effects. I already prepared the video for the demonstration purposes. So I'll press Ctrl T for type tool or click up here, horizontal type tool. Now click on the screen, type in your text, Ctrl A to select the text, Ctrl Alt Home to center the anchor point to the text, Ctrl Home to center the text to the screen. And now we'll open the settings for the text layer, go to Animate, check Enable per character 3D, go to Animate again and add a position as well to this. Now we'll change the value of the Z value of the position until it's out of the frame. I'm holding Shift while doing this, so to about 6000. And we'll open the settings for range selector, go to the beginning and set a keyframe on offset. Now go to 3 seconds and change this to 100. We'll be having this type of animation. So far looking good. And now we can also add a rotation to this. Go to Add Property, Rotation, and we can change this to 180 so it rotates at the beginning. Let's have a look. This is harsh. We'll fix it by going to Advanced, change the shape to Ramp Up, and we can see that it's got smoother. We can add a motion blur to this, so click here and make sure that this is blue, so while it's moving it gets a natural blur. And to make the text faster, we can go to 2 seconds and just drag this keyframe here. So there we go, that's how you create a quick, smooth and easy title animation. Thanks for watching, take care.